Meaning of immigrate.
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 Immigrate. The term immigrate refers to the act of relocating from one country to another in order to permanently settle there. Immigration can take place for various reasons, such as seeking better job opportunities, reuniting with family, or seeking refuge from political or economic turmoil in one's home country. The process of immigrating often involves obtaining legal status in the new country and undergoing various legal and administrative processes. Successful immigration can provide individuals and families with new opportunities for personal and professional growth, as well as the chance to experience different cultures and ways of life.